So here's how we set up the infrastructure for your email accounts and how we do the domains. We take care of all of this for you, but just want to show you really what the back end looks like when we're creating your infrastructure. So the first step is we're purchasing the secondary domains. So we'll create a number of those secondary domains. The number of them is all depending on how many emails you want to send a day, a month. And then we go to pork bun. So this is where we're buying the domains particularly, and then we're building out the inboxes. So for how many inboxes we build per domain, it really depends on what we're building. So for Google, for example, we're going to want to build 2 inboxes per domain. So with this infrastructure setup, we have the domains here, 2 inboxes per, and then up to 30 emails per inbox. We like to go around that 20 to 30 mark per emails per inbox a day to be able to keep the deliverability high and keep your email reputation high as well. Making sure you don't end up in the spam and emails are actually getting delivered to people's inboxes. Same thing, just different method here with Microsoft. If we're using Outlook, we are getting the domains and we're able to get 25 to 99 inboxes. We are able to set up to a max of 8 emails a day per inbox. Usually stick around this 4 to 5 range for the most part to be able to, again, ensure the deliverability. And then for SMTP, we set up the domains, again, 5 to 10 emails for the SMTP. These are all just the different numbers on how we can be as effective with your email campaigns while also making sure deliverability is high. So then from here, we are sending it to your sequencer. So you're able to see what leads are interested, not interested, or looking for more information, have any objections, and so on and so forth for any SDRs to handle as well.